There comes a moment in life when you get tired of being hurt, tired of being overlooked, ignored, or taken for granted. You start questioning your worth because others failed to see it. But what if the problem was never your value? What if it was your boundaries, your energy, your availability? Today, I'm not here to comfort you. I'm here to transform you. I'm here to make you untouchable. Being untouchable doesn't mean you stop feeling. It means you stop letting people misuse your emotions. You don't chase, you don't beg, you don't over-explain. You observe, you decide, and you move accordingly. Your silence becomes louder than your words. Your absence becomes heavier than your presence. And suddenly, people feel your worth without you proving it. That's power. Right now, you care too much about who stays and who leaves. You attach your happiness to people's behavior. That's why you feel broken when they change. Untouchable people don't depend on external validation. They create their own emotional stability. They understand one simple truth. People come and go, but self-respect must stay. You need to stop giving VIP access to people who treat you like an option. Not everyone deserves your time, your energy, your attention. Learn to say no without guilt. Learn to walk away without explanation. The more you tolerate disrespect, the more it becomes your reality. But the moment you raise your standards, everything changes, including how people treat you. Detach. Not because you don't care, but because you finally care about yourself. Detachment is not coldness. It's emotional intelligence. You stop reacting to every little thing. You stop seeking closure from people who can't give it. You give yourself closure. And that's when healing begins. People will call you different. They'll say you've changed. And they're right, you did. You stopped being available for nonsense. You stopped entertaining toxicity. You stopped shrinking yourself to fit others' expectations. Growth looks like distance to those who don't want to evolve. So let them misunderstand you. An untouchable mindset means you don't lose yourself in love. You don't obsess, you don't control, you don't beg to be chosen. You choose yourself first every single time. Love becomes a part of your life, not your whole identity. You enjoy it, but you don't depend on it. Because you know, if someone leaves, you will still be okay. You need to build a life that doesn't revolve around one person. Your goals, your passions, your growth. That's your real focus. When your life is full, you don't chase people for attention. They naturally feel drawn to your energy because you radiate independence. And independence is attractive. Stop explaining your worth to people who can't see it. Stop trying to fix how others perceive you. Not everyone is meant to understand you. And that's okay. Your job is not to be liked by everyone. Your job is to be respected by yourself. The moment you achieve that, you become untouchable. So from today, shift your mindset. No more overthinking, no more overgiving. No more losing yourself for temporary people. You are not an option. You are not replaceable. You are not easy to access anymore. You are rare, you are powerful. And now, you're untouchable.